Hi there, I'm checking in from the beautiful Edinburgh Castle, and I'm standing with this gorgeous landscape of this amazing city that in fact has been designated as UNESCO's first city of literature. Walking around here is like walking around in your favorite book. So I think, J.M. Barrie, Muriel Spark, Ian Banks, Alexander McCall Smith, all of your favorite authors, dead and living. And I'm coming here to tell you that this is where I'm running a one-day writing workshop. I'm a little bit out of breath because I've just puffed my way all up the mound from where I'm living in the West End. And the cold seems to send my asthma off a little bit. But I wanted to remind you that I'm the co-author of this gorgeous book, Write Your Book in 100 Days. Stop mucking about and just write. Because so often writers think they can't write their book because they're not talented, or they don't have time, or they're listening to all those nerdly demons inside their heart and their head. So this one-day workshop is really about how to write and build a publishable book. Now when I say publishable, I simply mean the moment you're going beyond Dear Diary or your morning pages or your own musings for your own inner work, and you're wanting it to be read by somebody else, whether that is your grandchild one day down the line, or whether that is the 10 closest family members that you wish to share the story with, or your 100 top clients, or if you are wanting your book on a bookshelf in a bookstore to change people's lives because you have something in your heart and soul and experience to share. So how to build a publishable book is for non-fiction. So if you're a speaker, a coach, have some form of expertise you're wanting to download, and also your memoir, because that falls under non-fiction. And by the end of this day, you will have planned out your book, right? That is my promise to you. You will have also even started some writing of it. It's not a complicated process, it's a step-by-step process. When you're writing a book, step 1 is to decide you're going to write the book. Step 2 for non-fiction is to plan it, because in actual fact you can sell a non-fiction book off a well-crafted proposal. But once you've got your plan, your next step, step 3, is to actually write the first draft. And we believe you can do the planning and the writing process in 100 days, hence the title of the book. So on this workshop, we are literally going to delve into that. What makes a book readable? Why should you even think about your reader? Your genre, researching do's and don'ts, tone, so many things that you need at a high structural level to just get on and get cracking. So it's in Edinburgh, it's one full day, no other obligations or commitments beyond that day, but you will have your book outlined, planned, a good goal that you've challenged yourself with, and you'll have me in your camp, and you will be well on your way to writing your book and getting it published. If you want to join me, just check all the details on the link below.